Chris Ermines with Tools of the Trade at the Makita booth at World of Concrete, looking at their new X2 cordless chainsaw. Runs on two 18-volt batteries for a total of 36 volts. It will cut up to close to 50 cuts on a 6x6 on fully charged 5 amp hour batteries. 16-inch bar, brushless motor, brake, power button, very comparable to any of the gas-powered typical chainsaw you'd see. Unlike their previous cordless model, that was more for cutting limbs and smaller material. This is a bigger capacity chainsaw. Let's take a look at how it cuts.